Sing Sang Tai Tai Liho. I am Lizelle Lasso, born on May 3, 1974, 51 years old, from Quezon City, Philippines. I am married and blessed with 4 children, ages 29, 28, 24, and 22 years old. I am a vocational graduate, and I like cleaning, cooking, and taking good care of kids. I worked as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 2 months, from March 2019 to May 2019. I worked as a domestic helper in Macau for 2 years, from June 2019 to June 2021. I served one couple, a newborn baby. I worked as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 1 year, from October 2023 to October 2024. I served one couple and 3 years old child.
Hello, Miss Lizelle Lazo. How are you today?
I am good and thank you, sir.
Alright, may we know your main duties from your previous employer?
My main duties is taking care of the whole family, providing the services that they need, especially when it comes to their children.
Okay, so what are your reasons why you want to go back again in Hong Kong?
Because I already experienced their culture and also because the people are nice.
Can you cook some Chinese food? Can you give us example dish and how to cook it?
Yes, sir. Like vegetable, stir fry. First, you need to stir fry mixed vegetables such as bell pepper, carrots, broccoli, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, then serve over rice.
Alright, what is the most important thing in taking care of children?
To prepare their food on time, check if their clothes is wet, and always keep them safe.
How will you assist the child when crossing the street?
Hold their hand and look to the right and left before crossing.
Okay, what is the most important thing in carrying a baby?
Regularly check the diaper if it is wet, feed the baby on time, and give the medicine on time.
How will you arrange your duties if only you and the baby left in the house?
Attend the baby first, bath the baby, feed the baby, and once the baby is sleeping, that is the time that I can do my household chores.
Okay, so what if you found out that the baby has fever and your employer is not at home? What will you do?
First, I need to call and inform my employer or the parents, and call a doctor for help and advice.
Okay, do you have any last message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid because I need this job and it will be a big help for my family. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities and I will finish my contract.
Alright, before we end, can you share your best smile? Thank you very much, Miss Lizelle Lazo, and hope to see you very soon in abroad.
Ma'am and sir, thank you and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.